Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank God I hit the fuel. Because I was praying. Because look at guys. Look at my fuel gauge. I don't know if you'll be able to see. It's right on the money. It's on E. Look at that. Oh, I was so nervous. Oh my gosh. I was never been so nervous in my life. I don't want to get stranded on the road and out of fuel. Look at that, guys. I'm not lying. I'm serious. I'm dead serious. Oh, Lord, thank you for the safe trip and less stressful trip. I am so glad I made it here. I'm a happy driver. Thank you, God. I'm gonna fuel now. Bye-bye. Look at that, guys. My queen of the road. I'm just so happy. Almost ran out of fuel, of juice. And saying, no, mama, don't let me run out of juice, mama, because we can't run all night. Yes, baby, I said, come on, let's bear with me. Let's go. Keep running, baby. Keep running. We're gonna make it to the fuel. And here we are. We're pumping. And we're both happy. We're gonna make it to our delivery. You do not wanna get stranded out of nowhere into the darkness, guys. No, not my king. Oh no, it's a queen, okay? Although I'm teaming with my husband, this is my queen, okay? This is my baby on the road. I sleep here. I don't need a house. I'm just overwhelmed, guys, how close. I've never been so close of running out of fuel, but I've heard some people that they had the experience, and I don't want to experience that ever. Okay, for as long as I've been driving vehicle, I got my first driver license when I was 21 years old, and I got my truck license, my trucking license, CDL, Class A. Driver license when I was 47 years old, and I never experienced to be out of fuel. So thank you for the experience, the scary experience. Look at my neighbors and look at all that truck, all the trailers, guys, all the trucks sleeping. And after I fuel, I'm gonna go to McDonald's. It's cold, it's 32 degrees. I've just got done fueling, and my baby is happy, and I am happy. Look at that. Whoa. My trailer is happy. Woo. And my husband is sleeping good inside. Right? Because I didn't get stranded on the road. I'll be dying. He'll be surprised. Like, what? He was gonna say, what the hell are you doing, woman? You know, why you let this baby run out of fuel? Okay, guys, I'm gonna go inside the McDonald's. I'm gonna get me something to eat. Philippines, there's a McDonald's here in the truck stop. What do you want? But there's no fried chicken. They only have hamburger. It's not like in the Philippines we have a rice and fried chicken. Philippines, this is the hot dog here in America. I love this hot dog here. Maybe I get me a hot dog. These stuffed animals here for the truckers to buy. No, I don't need it. I don't have no more little kids. My grandson is 7 years old. Look at that. Oh, I need to buy. Oh, my grandson would love this. I'm gonna run the coffee. Jig, 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 jig. Fresh and hot. There you go. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a good night or good day. Philippines, good day. See you guys.